This is the discipline we Ahmadis should create and develop in our countries. See? This is how you can let your country go up and come on at par with developed countries. So Nigeria is quite a rich country. You have oil resources, but unfortunately, there are a lot of things which are, causing deterioration.
We need your prayer, sir.
Yes, and hard work of Ahmadis there. With hard work of Ahmadis should do hard work and pray for their country, for the betterment of their country.
Exactly, sir.
Right?
Exactly, sir.
At least we Ahmadis should play our role.